Okay. You are still joining a Photoshop tutorial. Okay. I need to zoom in on the image I have opened. You can use the Ctrl and plus shortcut to do this. Click the Ctrl and minus button to zoom out. Okay, let's see another way. That is the zoom tool. This is under View Tools. Click with the Alt key to zoom out. But both of these methods are a bit difficult. But instead you can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom. Let's see how we can do that. Click Edit. Click Preferences. Then click on Tools. Then a menu like this will appear. Select the Overscroll option. Then select all the options on the right. Right now you can zoom an image using the mouse scroll. Okay, it's time for me to go. Have a nice day.